Hey guys, I'm going to open up my iPhone settings and you're going to see something super cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and go over the software update, and as you guys can see, I'm currently on the newest version 15.4. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak on this new version of iOS without a computer. So what you want to do is go over to the website Unc0ver.vip, put the 0 instead of the O. This is the official Unc0ver jailbreak download page without a computer for the new version of iOS. So I'm going to type it in, Unc0ver.vip. Once you're on the site, you'll see a jailbreak button, and you can see it's updated. Press that. It will install a profile. Go ahead and press allow. Then we're going to press close, and now we will return to settings to download the profile. So see profile downloaded message at the top, press on that, then go ahead and press install. Another install prompt, press done. Go to the home screen, and boom, as you can see, Unc0ver jailbreak app was installed. So we're going to open it up and perform the jailbreak. So to jailbreak the device, you'll see a jailbreak button at the bottom, press it, and as you can see, it has now started jailbreaking my device. Now the process actually happens pretty fast. So let's just wait for it to do its thing. It's going to say jailbreak finished, you must restart your device. So now we will wait for the phone to restart and see if it has been booted into a jailbroken state. So let's open up the device and see if Cydia is here, and as you can see guys, it did work. So this is super cool. So I'm going to open up Cydia and show you guys that it is fully functioning. So as you can see, I have the fully working Cydia app. And I can go ahead and start installing my favorite themes and jailbreak tweaks. So as you can see, we got the search bar. We've got all the different settings. So I can search for something. Let's look for a theme to get. I'm going to go for this one, the Vexillum theme, and I'm going to download it just to show you guys that this is fully working. You can actually download stuff with this jailbreak. So let's just wait for it to download right here, as you guys can see. All right, it's almost done. We'll just give it a second to go ahead and finish, and it looks like it was successful. So anyways, guys, let's go to the home screen and see if the device has a cool theme applied, which would mean that it did work. So let's go ahead and check it out. And boom, guys, as you can see, it's working. So I hope this tutorial works for you. Be sure to go ahead and share the site with your friends so you can all jailbreak your device without the need of a computer on this new version of iOS. So yeah guys, super cool. As you can see, the theme was applied successfully to my device. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.